Is your phone controlling your life? Do you feel like you are constantly chasing instant gratification but never finding true satisfaction? If so, you might have come across the idea of a dopamine detox. But does it really work? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Socially Awkward Soul, where we discuss books that inspire change, growth and self-discovery. In this video, I'm going to talk about the book Dopamine Detox written by Thibaut Meurisse. It's a self-help book designed to help readers overcome distractions and regain control of their focus and motivation. It's a very short and simple book packed with some actionable tips for reducing the reliance on quick dopamine hits from activities like social media, gaming or junk food. So let's understand what's dopamine detox. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter in your brain that motivates you to seek rewards. It is also known as the happy hormone associated with pleasure, reward and motivation that keeps you going and makes you strive to achieve things. In today's world, we are overwhelmed by easy dopamine hits from social media, junk food and endless entertainment. And due to this constant flow of engaging content on social media and the internet, it's common for your brain to feel drained and tired. And this results in procrastination, lack of creativity and productivity. Basically, dopamine detox means taking a break from the activities that drives compulsive behavior. Why do we need a dopamine detox? Meurisse explains how our modern environment hijacks our brain's reward system. Think about how often you grab your phone for a quick scroll or binge watch shows for hours. It's all about instant gratification. If you find yourself hooked to Instagram, Facebook or WhatsApp, it probably is to do with your brain's pleasure pathways that remain super active when you are browsing through such addictive content. It keeps you engaged for hours, ending up draining you to the extent that you are unable to focus on productive tasks at hand. If you are struggling with completing tasks due to constantly checking your messages, emails and other social media apps, you too need a dopamine detox that can work wonders for your mental health as well as productivity. Here are 5 steps to a dopamine detox. Step 1. Recognize the problem. The first step is to become aware of the activities that overstimulates your brain. These are often behaviors that provide instant gratification but little long-term satisfaction. These could be endless scrolling on social media, compulsive gaming, eating sugary or processed snacks for comfort, and binge watching TV shows or YouTube videos. For example, if you are spending hours on Instagram and struggling to focus on work, that's a clear sign of overstimulation. Step 2. Decide the length of your detox. You can choose how long you want to detox based on your comfort level. During this time, you need to avoid overstimulating activities completely. This break allows your brain to reset. You can either start with a 24-hour or a partial detox. For a 24-hour detox, you have to avoid all the overstimulating activities for 24 hours. While in case of partial detox, you can choose one overstimulating activity for some time. For example, if you are addicted to Instagram scrolling, you can avoid this specific activity for quite a few days. Step 3. Replace high dopamine activities with low dopamine activities. During the detox period, refrain yourself from the activities that overstimulate your brain. Also, it's not just about removing distractions. It's about filling the void with activities that provide long-term satisfaction and meaning. For example, you can replace social media apps, junk food or sugary snacks, video games and streaming services with high-value activities such as reading, journaling, exercise or mindfulness practices. Step 4. Create a structured routine. To ensure you don't slip back into old habits, design a daily routine that minimizes distractions and maximizes productive behaviors. Few tips for a sustainable routine. Morning ritual. Start your day without checking your phone. Instead, meditate, journal or exercise. Limit screen time. Set boundaries like no devices during meals or after 8 p.m. Environment optimization. Remove tempting distractions like junk food or gaming consoles from your immediate surroundings. Step 5. Reflect and adjust. After completing your detox, take time to reflect on the experience. Ask yourself, Which activities added value to my life? How do I feel now compared to before the detox? What changes can I make permanent? Keep tweaking your habits until you find a balance that works for you. To sum it up, a dopamine detox is about identifying distractions, taking a break, and building habits that lead to a more intentional life. It's not about completely avoiding dopamine, but learning to control how it influences you. If you feel overwhelmed by distractions, why not give a dopamine detox a try? Start small and see how it transforms your focus and productivity. Have you ever tried a dopamine detox? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Socially Awkward Soul for more book summaries. Until then, bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.